m'appelle Anu Gupta. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous apprendre le verbe avoir. Hello everybody, my name is Anu Gupta. Welcome to my channel. And today I am going to teach the verb avoir, which in English means to have. So please be ready with your pen and your notebook. Enjoy learning. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. The verb avoir. In English it means to have. In this you are going to learn how to use has and have with the subject pronouns. The very first subject pronoun is je. Je means I. With je we are going to use a. A-I-A. It will become je. Je means I have. Now see, we are not going to use it like je ai. We are going to remove the e from je and will put apostrophe sign and will make je. It will be je. I have written the pronunciation along with in Hindi so that you don't make any sort of mistake in the pronunciation. So for singular first person we have je. I have. Then second person singular it will be tu a. Tu means you and a means have. You have. Tu a. Next, third person singular it is il lo a. The conjugation for has to be used over here is a. Il a means he has. El a she has. Ona it is it has. O is also used for we in an informal manner. So we have in an informal manner will be ona. Now see the conjugation for the plural ones. First one is nous avons. It means we have. Nous means we and avons is the conjugation of avoir that is going to be used with nous. With nous in almost all the verbs you are going to use on, ons at the end in most of the verbs. Nous avons. The next is vous avez. Vous avez means you have. It is second person plural you have. It is used in the formal language to say you have, and it is also used in an informal language when there are many people. So it is vous avez. Next is ils ont. Elles ont. It is they have. Ils ont they have for masculine things and elles ont they have for feminine things. Now did you notice one thing over here that I am saying nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. I am not saying nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. I am merging the sound of s with avons, ave, on, that means vowel of the next letter. It is called légening. When merged it makes the z sound like nous avons, ils ont, vous êtes. You did it in the être verb vous êtes. It was not vous êtes, it is vous êtes. You have to pronounce them properly. You have to learn them thoroughly. You are going to use this a lot in French. So speak along with me. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, vous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now let's make a few sentences using them. The first one is j'ai, I have. We can make sentences by using j'ai like j'ai un chien means I have a dog. J'ai deux stylos means I have two pens. J'ai 23 ans means I am 23 years old. In French we call it like I have 23 years. Next is j'ai mal à la tête means I have headache. Next is tu as means you have in an informal language. The sentences that we can make using tu as can be like tu as le livre de français, you have the book of French. Next can be tu as de beaux yeux means you have beautiful eyes. Next can be tu as quel âge means what is your age. In French we call it you have what age. Next is Tua Yun Sir, means you have one sister. Now next comes Ila, means he has or it has. The sentences can be Ila Dizo, means he is 10 years old, or Ila a chapeau, means he has a hat. Ila un Q long. It can be used for animals like for dog, that it has a long tail. Then Mon frère a un vélo, means my brother has a bicycle. Then Ram a kukur, means Ram has a short neck. Next comes Ella, means she is or it is. The sentences can be Elle a les cheveux longs, means she has long hair. Elle a un chat, means she has a cat. Or the sentence can also be like Ma maison, elle a quatre chambres, means my house, it has 4 rooms. Next comes ona. Ona means informal way of saying we have. We can make sentences using this also, like on a un projet de faire, means we have a project to do. On a une voiture rouge, means we have a red car. Now comes vous avez. Vous avez means you have. It is used in the formal language, or it can also be used in the plural form of informal language. The sentences can be vous avez une sœur et 2 frères, means you have 1 sister and 2 brothers. Next can be madame, vous avez une voix douce, means madam, you have a sweet voice. Next is quel âge avez-vous, means what is your age. In French we ask it like what age you have. Quel âge avez-vous? Now comes ils ont. Ils ont means they have, for the masculine version. Sentences can be ils ont une belle maison, means they have a beautiful house. Ils ont une belle maison. See the listening. Ils ont and then tune. T is also merged with une. Ils ont une belle maison. Next is Ram et Mira ont beaucoup d'amis. It means Ram and Mira have many friends. Next is ils ont une réunion aujourd'hui, means they have a meeting today. Next is les étudiants ont un examen, means the students have an exam. Next is mes frères ont une chaîne de restaurants, means my brothers have a chain of restaurants. Now comes elles ont. Elles ont means they have. It is used for feminine things. First sentence can be elles ont les cheveux courts, means they have short hair. Next is Mira et Geeta ont un frère intelligent, means Mira and Geeta have an intelligent brother. Next is les filles ont un classe de danse, means the girls have a dance class. So it was all about the verb avoir. Let us now try a small little exercise. You have to do it on your own. Just see the first one. Nous dash 3 gros chiens, means we dash 3 big dogs. So you have to put the right conjugation that is going to be used with nous. Just see the subject pronouns and fill the right conjugation. I hope you will be able to do it very easily. Here are your answers. I hope you all must have performed very well. All those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and like. And all those who have subscribed, please press the bell icon also, so that as soon as I upload any video, you could get the notification. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.